Good morning, my dancing friends. I'm so happy to see you today. I've finished my chores. I hope you finished yours. Let's go and find our dancing ways. Hello, my dancing friends. It's time for us to move and dance. Let's go find a room in the house that we can clear some things away quickly and easily for our dancing space. It could be your family room, your kitchen, even your bedroom, wherever it's simple and quick. I'll see you soon. Hello, my dancing friends. It's time to move and dance. Let's come out into our space. Last time I saw you, we explored moving smooth. Can you find your smooth ways with me? Imagining that there is cream all through our space, or pudding, something very smooth, and it makes our bodies gently and evenly move from one movement to the next. Yes, boys and girls. And then we moved in sharp ways, like a toothpick or a cactus. Let's try it. Here we go. Sharp, sharp fingers, sharp toes, sharp elbows. Ready? 2 sharp shapes. Go. Sharp, sharp. Oh my goodness, that was very good. Let's use those smooth and sharp ways for our warm-up today. Each of you doing your own sharp and smooth ideas as I dance with you in my sharp and smooth ideas. Let's find our starting shapes. Here we go. There's our music. We can choose if we want to move to this music in smooth ways or sharp ways. You choose, my dancing friends. Let me watch you. Keep moving smooth and sharp. Using all those body parts. Your arms. Yes, your legs. Our backs. Our focus. Using our neck to look different directions. As you move through the space. Oh my goodness, you came with so much energy today. I love your ideas. And find your stopping, holding shape. Hold it. Hold it. It says, I have finished my dance. And rest. Wonderful, boys and girls. You are finding more and more ways of expressing smooth and sharp ideas in your movement. Let's come out into our space again. Standing up, we're going to sing a nursery rhyme today. And it says, Jack, be nimble. Nimble is a word we don't use very often. It means that you can move around very easily, that it's easy to move through the space, which I know you know how to do. Here we go. Jack, be nimble. Jack, be quick. Another word for fast, moving your own ways, fast. Jack, jump over the candlestick. Can you imagine a big, tall candlestick? Here we go, big jumping legs over. Very good. Again, here we go. Jack, be nimble. Jack, be quick. Quick, fast. Jack, jump over the candlestick. Very good, boys and girls. Let's come to our sitting place on our pockets. I have another rhyme for us today. Can you follow along with me? Wee Willie Winkie runs through the town. Let's pull our knees up, find our running toes. There they are. And running, runs through the town. Upstairs, reaching up, 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 and downstairs, reaching down, 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 big stretches in his nightgown. Rapping at the window. Rapping is another word that we can use for tapping. Can you tap your body? Wake up your body. Tap, tap, tap. Crying through the locks. Imagine that we are going to cry out loud. Wah! So loud, with our body we're being loud, rather than our mouth. Are the children in their bed? For now it's 8 o'clock. And find your sleepy place. Here we go, one more time. Let's get our running feet ready. Wee Willie Winkie runs through the town, upstairs and downstairs in his nightgown, rapping at the window. Crying through the lock. Big, big, big waist with your arms and legs. Are the children in their bed? Now it's 8 o'clock. Very good, my dancing friends. Let's find those crisscross legs. Criss-cross, apple sauce. Sit up very straight and tall. When we go moving, we talk a lot about shapes. We find shapes with our arms and our legs that might not really have a name, but some shapes do have a name. I would love for us to look at one of those shapes today. Wait right here. What shape is this, boys and girls? Yes, it's a triangle. The triangle has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And each end of the triangle is very sharp, sharp. Lots of ideas like we use in our movement. Do we sometimes make triangles when we are moving and dancing? Yes, we do. I'm going to put our triangle down right here. When we did Wee Willie Winkie, we said, crying through the locks. And right there, we had 2 triangles. Here's side 1, side 2, and where's the 3rd line? Here's 1, here's 2, we need 3. It's an imaginary line right here, connecting my feet. Can you try that with me? Everyone find your crying through the locks. And can you trace with your finger on your legs? 1, 2, 3. We held our arms up like this. Hold our arms up. Ready? Here we go. Wiggle. Side 1, side 2, and that imaginary line. 3. Triangles with our body shape. Can you make a bridge shape with your body? Everyone, let's make a bridge shape with our body. Yes, boys and girls, I can put my arms down and my feet, and I have a triangle. 1, 2, and the floor makes 3. Let's stand up. Can you find a balancing way on one foot and put the other foot on your knee? Whoa, it's tricky. Let's look at that triangle. 1, 2, 3. Can you do that same way? We might have to put our foot down for a minute. Can you put that way with your arm on the same side? 1, 2, 3. Can you do the triangle with your opposite arm? Over here. Now this leg is in a triangle and the opposite side of my body has a triangle with the arm. 1, 2, 3. So many ways we can make triangles. Making them with our arms in front of us, over us. I can make a triangle with my arms this way. So many ways. Let me see some of your triangle shapes with your arms. Yes. Very good, boys and girls. Do you know what I noticed when you make those triangle shapes? You are always in one spot in the dance space. When we stay in one space, we call that our self space. Making this shape is staying in my self space. When we did that melting quality a few lessons ago, we melted in our self space. But if I go galloping, now I am traveling all around. And I call this the general space. Staying in one place, self space. Moving and traveling, general space. Let's try this dance. Let's make triangle shapes in our self space when the music is quiet. When the music plays, we'll go dancing our own ways through the general space. But if the music stops, stop in our self space and make a triangle shape. Music goes, traveling through the general space. Are we ready? Let's find a starting triangle shape. I'm going to start with 2 triangle shapes. Holding it, no music. Stay in our self space. Dancing through the general space. Here we go. Everyone moving your own ways. Traveling through the room. All through that space. Stop. Self space. Make a triangle shape. Stay in that self space. No traveling. Staying there. Moving through that general space. Traveling all around you go. Moving your own ways. Self space. Find, oh my goodness, I'll do my bridge shape. Hold it in the self space. Moving, yes, friends. All through that general space. Good, dancers. Self space. Find a triangle shape and hold it. And rest. Good for you, boys and girls. That was amazing. How tricky you were listening to the sound to tell us when to stay in self space and travel. I'll see you in just a minute. Let's go to the magic elevator. Here we go. Step inside and close up the doors. Let's go to floor number 2 today, my dancing friends. Are your feet ready to give big jumps? No buttons to push. We have to jump. Here we go. 1, 2. Step out of our magic elevator. The sun is shining. Spring is here. And we have come to Caterpillar Land. Have any of you ever seen a caterpillar before? Let me tell you just a little bit about the caterpillar. The caterpillar started out as a little egg on a leaf. And it stayed on that leaf in its self-space, very still. When the caterpillar came out of the egg, it began to travel from leaf to leaf, moving just like we just did through the general space. Now the caterpillar moves very low. So can you come with me for a minute and see if we can find ways to move down low? We can roll. We can stretch our legs forward and backwards in climbing ways. All different ways we can travel low like the caterpillar. Then the caterpillar forms a cocoon around itself, and it stays very still in that self-space again, and waits so patiently as inside the cocoon, or the chrysalis. Can you say that word with me, boys and girls? It's a beautiful word. Here we go. Chrysalis. Chrysalis. Very good. After it has waited and waited, it comes out of the chrysalis and has become a butterfly. Does the butterfly stay in one self-space, or does it travel through the general space flying? Yes, the butterfly goes traveling through the general space. So we have self-space as the egg, general space crawling, self-space as the chrysalis, and general space flying. Let's see how that feels to do our own caterpillar dance. Let's find our starting shape in a self-space, curled up in our own egg shape. Here we go. Out comes the caterpillar out of the egg, and it leaves that self-space and begins to travel through the general space. Here we go, low ways on the floor, traveling through the general space. We can crawl, we can slither, we can stretch. Good for you, boys and girls. Through that general space, crawling, yes. And as the caterpillar does this, it eats from the leaves, getting bigger and bigger. When it is finally big enough, it builds that cocoon around itself. Can you build your cocoon? Imagine that cocoon is forming around you. And once it's finished, it waits and waits sky. Reaching our arms, just as the butterfly stretches its wings, soaring through the air. Amazing, boys and girls. Keep moving, let me see you. Flying through the air, leaping, turning, stretching those arms. Oh my goodness, traveling all through that general space, finding your own dance, just as the butterfly finds its own way through our beautiful world. Amazing, boys and girls. Feel that energy and that magic that comes from being able to fully be everything inside of us. Wonderful, my dancing friends. And slowly come to your finishing place, your own way to reach those arms. Energy that continues to grow and grow, even though you're still in that self space now. Your shape still has life and energy. And rest. Boys and girls, that was amazing. Did you feel that energy inside of you come exploding out in your movement? That's the beautiful thing of growing up and discovering more and more about who we are inside. You are incredible, boys and girls. I have a caterpillar here with me today. And before we go, I wanted to show you my caterpillar. Here's our caterpillar, and we went traveling down low through that general space. Then you waited so patiently, as the caterpillar does, as it changes inside the chrysalis and then becomes the beautiful, amazing butterfly. I hope that you can maybe ask someone in your family a little more about caterpillars and their metamorphosis into the butterfly. Maybe there is something that you can look up on the computer with a big person to help you. Or maybe you have some books that tell about caterpillars and their journey to becoming the butterfly. My dancing friends, it's time to go. Let's find our shapes when Miss Tami claps 2 times. Goodbye now, my dancing friends. Our time is ending all too soon. Go out and explore, learn new things, and help with chores. I'll meet you back right here real soon. Goodbye, my dancing friends. Hi, thanks for watching. If your child enjoyed this, we'd love a thumbs up. And be sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you can always know when a new lesson is available. Also, please check us out on Instagram and Facebook. Happy dancing!